how to add Facebook or Instagram profile to Meta Account Center. Now, let's say you want to add more Facebook account or more Instagram profile account on your Meta Account Center, and you want to merge it with one another. Now, all you have to do to add that to your Meta Account Center is to go to your profile icon right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to go to your Account Center where your Facebook and Instagram profiles are intertwined. Now, the very straightforward approach in adding a Facebook or Instagram profile account is to tap on Profiles right here and click on Add Accounts. Another way is you just have to scroll down and click on Accounts right here. You can pretty much remove your Instagram accounts right here as well. Now you just have to tap on Add Accounts right here, and it will automatically redirect you to your Instagram Chrome. Now all you have to do if you want to add a Facebook account or Instagram profile account is to fill up the information that it needs. You just have to type in your phone number, username, or email of that specific account, as well as the password of your account that you want to add. Once you're done, all you have to do is to log in, and you have added your Facebook or Instagram profile to Meta Account Center. So that's how to add Facebook or Instagram profile to Meta Account Center. Hope you help.